We humans have been dependent on nature for all our needs throughout history. We were in tune with nature and had a deep connection with it. But somewhere along the way, we've lost it. We are moving away from nature. We all know the benefits of being connected with the natural world. Some of them are greater mental health benefits, greater emotional regulation, lower stress levels, lower anxiety levels, being more grounded, being calmer. Nature works with our nervous system. The central nervous system loves being in nature. It is calmer when we are in nature. We sleep better. We can process information quicker and more efficiently. We feel more positive about ourselves, our role in this cosmos. We feel more positive about the people around us. We can recharge our batteries and start afresh, start again, deal with challenges, deal with setbacks better, believe in ourselves more, love ourselves and all our surroundings. Nature provides. Let's go back to nature. Put away your phone. Go out. Look up at the stars. That's right.